Okay, here I'm trying to show you how to adjust the Air Assist Regulator monitor. So there's a signal output of 24 volts. If the system is satisfied, if it's on green, that means satisfied. There will be a 24 volts sent out. Right now it's currently at almost 0. So in order to change, before we change that, make sure that we know that, okay, for the low limit and the high limit, it is 6 and 30. So we always set the low limit to 6 and high limit to be 30. Right, so let's turn on the system. Because I don't have an air compressor attached to it, so it's indicated as 1 psi, okay, which is normal. And let's see how to adjust the PL and the PH to be 6 and 30. There are 3 buttons here. The S means it's enter. This up button is a down button. So let's press the enter button. And you will see PL, right? PL currently set at 6. Let's bump it up to 6. Pressing the up button. It's 6. And then we press the enter button. You will see PH, which is the high limit. Now it's 36. I let it bump it down to 30. So which means no matter what, if the range is between 6 and 30, the system will be satisfied, and there will be a 24 volt signal sent to the system. But right now, currently, that is 0, 0, right? That means there's no voltage out because I don't have a air compressor attached to it, because I only have 1 psi in my no compressor. So I can adjust it to make it happy. So I can set the low, instead of 6, I can bump it down to minus, right, or lower than 1, and press enter. And you will see now you got the 24 volts sent out, and everything's happy on green. That's how you set the limit. Make sure it's on 6 and 30, the range. So in order to satisfy the system, you have to bump the pressure within that range. To be precise, set your system to be at 25 to have the best performance.